Kesenjuk All Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association haka arpulai terik ujemang kala Pynkup Burom yu Myntri Rangbah Konrad ke Sangma halor ke jing penok bahak jong u ya ka roi kapa khamtam ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi bat ke jing nang jing tip ha ka jella bro ka wei ya kini ke jing yalang Pynkup Burom la penlong Hamadan School Matcha Kol Grey LP School Tura ha ka bala shimenta de kinong hikai ki officer na education department ki pat ba na kaleng gishnong karilum garo ha ka jingkren pediang ya kini ka jing Pynkup Burom u Konrad u loong bun sin ngi klet no ya ki app jong kinong hikai bat kinong trai ha office education department ki baju trai minot top ya la ki kam ki jam u loong kini ke sarkar ke bo uyalam kala IT ya la ke boj Khubor ban kentiu ya ke puli puthi bat ke jing nang jing tip klem da klet iki mati jong kinong hikai ki badon shalendet ban pentre kam ya kini ke jing tmu jong ke sarkar ulapin ken ma wi ki mati jong upurnu e sangma ukpa jong u da ke boong ipa jonga ila imsngi ban kentiu ya ke puli puthi kum unong ya lampat ba ila hikai tuition ye ki khna haba idang pule ha college bat university bat kani ka jing e jong e ya ka jing nang jing tip kala seiso haba ila long Myntri ha ka sarkar India u speaker ka lok sabha bat haba ila long Myntri Rangbah ka jella shwaban penkut ya ka jing kren u Konrad ula ai ka jing khuplei kerpang ya baro ke don kti ban pen priang ya ka jing nang jing tip khamtam ye ki nong tre jong ke education department
TFCO para senior container district administration ni ADCs SP Tura sakan dikon nga all Garo Hills SSA teacher association Cakor ni salam tenas jensum, dawan ceng chattingi tak parko tope Taiwan.
Next, we will be launching the other software that is the account. Effectively implementing across the state's public education system. The fellowship comes at a time when Meghalaya's education system, spread across nearly 8,000 government and government-aided schools in geographically diverse and hard-to-reach regions, is working to strengthen classroom learning and improve system-wide effectiveness. May I now request the Honourable Chief Minister also to do the honours to launch the CM Lead Fellowship. So now the bottle of the CM Lead may perhaps be displayed. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the launching of the CM Lead Fellowship.
Akademi Kepala Sir Vijay Kumar, Myntri.
Also want to get to me school of Burom, that maybe this is the first time in the history of the state that the authorities who are supposed to give certificates received certificate today. Kalau ya programo actually embossed the executive chairman, actually commissioner secretary education, director education, chairman dalam education department to kam ka mandiran na certificate rangko distribute pa utne gachin dalam ya programo ulta isong sa certificate ko matska. Kemudian namin historic day ini akan berbulan dulu sa. Arongan namin semua sakanci ko ang telas ka. Kalau ji kam na ko official lang nikap kita wal sal kam ka ingat si. Pabata subayo mandirang appreciate Pak Rongza. Hindi ba daalo SSA teacher na? Actually, officer ali alo department ni kampo nike. Daalo yan ang big pa felicitation program ko iso na organize ka. Kunigaman samsatay Lab department official lang ni Palo ang semang sa kanti ko bisa ka to dengok siya ha kena siya ha. Okay. All go.
Thank you.